first color for this. So you're going to use this window, see this one, to find it on one of those charts. See if you can find that color on one of the charts. It's this one, okay? See if you can find one. Find it? What does that say? Okay, you didn't write anything. We'll pull out your B2. Where's your, oh, there's your B1. Yeah, it's your B2 then. Okay, so we're on to color today. Now, do you have oil paint at home or no? Okay. So you're going to paint the entire background black where it's black. See it? And it's a little brown. And traditionally, Caravaggio would paint the background black. What are these? Did you start making color already? Yeah. That's not closed. That's open to oxygen. That means that's drying out in there. If you don't completely seal the edges, you're just saying, okay, dry out of it. So you see the edge? You can't just put a piece of tape. You have to fold it and put a piece of tape. It's the fold that's doing that. Graying it a little bit. It looks like it's a little bit browner. Yeah, it's not as purple as this. We're going to put some burnt umber in here. Put 4 peppercorns of burnt umber in there, okay? Just to brown it up a little bit. Yeah, exactly. I don't keep it. Yeah, exactly. Down here, and put your face right in front of it. And you have to close one eye, and I suggest you make a tunnel out of your fist. You're only looking at this over top of the square, and then you ask yourself, which is yellow. I think you're getting there. Or yellow. So do that, you can see it better. You'll get a better reading on it. And we're going to be adjusting those colors. Blending is all, not really changing things every month. That's what? Are you? Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen much in the, where did you see the greens in here? The width of that was really big compared to this. So I don't know what's going on there. That's Goya. 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 Now, if it's a blackish color, you actually have to use color so that you're not making things like what this green. Yeah, that's what you're doing. But it's not the background. You also need to paint the background, right? So that, yeah, see? But you will know it's much darker. The background, see how much darker it's closer to black. So yes, it works. And then when you paint the background, when you bring the brush paper down, it'll mix a little bit. Not too thick or anything, but you do need some of the background color there. Well, you're adding way too many peppercorns. Look how light you are. 2 peppercorns shouldn't have moved you that far. So now you got to put the blue back in, okay? So you're playing tennis with yourself a bit. Small amount.
We need a little bit of dark.
We're still dark, yeah. We're also not green enough or yellow enough. So we're going to put more in. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. Put that in.
Okay.
We're not doing anything different. We're just adding the same thing. We're just adding more of it. Okay, we're going dark. No, I think you need to put. What is all your other colors? You might still be going back to those. Much better. Okay, but come up from the bottom now with the black. Come up and split some of those wide pieces in half with the black. Now you're back to it with all that blue. You put it, that's it. Okay, that's your new color. So write it down and put it where it goes. Take the window up. See what you need to make with it. I think it's bigger than the area that you have isolated. So it goes in more places than just the part that hasn't been painted yet. When you take the window up. With the black, you're coming up rather than down. You're bringing the blacks. From the background. Good, that looks great. Now, don't open another, thing, because you were working on this. Now you got distracted by something that you thought. Sometimes it's better to stay with the colors and have out. You know what I mean? I mean, you can certainly go in and do that if it's bugging you, but you're still too light here, which is a bigger issue than those things you're seeing on the nose. It's more off. Like if you stand back 6 feet. Powerful. So powerful. That's a little bit too black. You're not. No matter what color you're at. About 7 minutes. I want you to paint all these dark areas. You're just going to bring that in there, and you're going to bring that there and there. Paint it solid. Not this area, but there's still things that you dry brush dark. Yeah, okay. Yeah. You took half out, right? Yeah, not mixing, changing it all.
This one seems quite easy.
Which one is it? This
Yeah,
one?
that one, yeah.
You're basically there.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was
There you
quite
go.
easy.
That was easy.
Yeah.
Some colors are just yeah.
Uh-huh.
If you do good work and you try your best at everything, you are given gifts from the universe. Things go better for you. But if you don't, if you're not trying as hard as you can each time, the universe notices and goes, I'm going to screw them up. All right, done. Okay, done. Very, very picky. Very, very picky. So if I say it's okay, it's going to be okay. Gray down yellow. That's what we need to do. Too dark. Too dark. The combo was correct. You just put too much in the dark one, so it made it too dark. You know what we're going to do? Put 2 peppercorns in number 5 gray in there. You're done. Okay? We're just going to put that in that area.
Can you try to move it?
Yeah, it has to go a bit darker, so just put a question mark.